In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock X account in order to make it private. Now, for us to get this done, let's go ahead and proceed. I'm going to go ahead and click our profile here, and then I want you to go ahead and take a look at my name right here because something is going to change later on. So I'm going to go ahead and basically open settings and support here, and then we're going to click settings and privacy. Now, from this point forward, I want you to go ahead and look for privacy and safety, and then I want you to go ahead and choose audience and tagging. Now, from this point forward, you have here the first option, protect your post. I want you to go ahead and enable this one. So basically, if you're going to read the description here, it says only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your posts. Now, this is actually X feature in order to make our account private. So if I were to go ahead and close this one right here and then click my profile icon here again, you should be able to see here a lock icon. That is an indication that our account is now private. And that, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.